Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to your Kucoin Mobile application so that we can be able to send money directly from our bank into the application and buy coins. You want to start by clicking at the top here where you have the initials for your name. Then head over to security. Then click on payment method and it will give you this message which says, to protect your assets, please complete the following settings before editing your payment methods. So first we need to bind our phone number to Kucoin. We do this by clicking edit, and over here on this page you need to press send. Once you hit the send button, you have 60 seconds. You're going to receive a verification code on your email address. Once you receive that, click on confirm. Once you've confirmed, this page is going to open. So input your country code over here, then put your phone number in, then click on send, and you're going to receive a verification code on your mobile number which you inputted here. After that, click on activate. Now when you head over back to security, you're going to see that your phone number, just like your email address, has been recorded on Kucoin. So once again, click on payment method, then click on add. You then click here to choose the kind of payment method that you want to add. For the purposes of this video today, we are going to choose bank transfer, and if you want to find it easily, you can just go ahead and type in bank transfer. So let's just choose the one at the top. You then go ahead and fill in your full name, your account number, and your BIC, which is simply the sort code. Then go ahead and fill in your account type. If it's individual or business, then confirm. Once you've pressed on confirm, you're going to come to this page. You're going to input your trading password, then click on send, and you'll receive again a verification code on your mobile number. You put that in and click confirm. When you've done that, you're going to see your payment method listed under payment method. And if you want to add any other payment method, you can just come down here and click on add and do the same process again. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos.